So welcome back to this episode. So in this video, I'm talking about how to add theory. So unlike OBJ, theory exams, objective exams, when you are doing objective exams, you will see the student will see their result instantly. The result is automated. Like you will see the score instantly. That is why we are seeing this that the student scored for OBJ. But unlike OBJ, so in theory, when you want to set theory questions, so just come to question banks. Okay, come to question banks. Um, so you click on add new question. You click on this add new question. Okay, add new question up. You select the exam, which is what? Let's say Agricultural Campus 1 exam. Then select the question type, which is theory. The marks, you can just say the marks is 20 marks. Okay, then the question text, say divine agriculture. That's the first question. Then if you want to upload, if it's a question that requires image, you can upload image or diagram. You can upload the image or diagram saved from your computer. So then you save question. You save the question. So once you save the question, that question has been added. Then you come over here again, you repeat the same thing. So that is question one like that. So for question two, you select the exam again. You select the question type, which is theory. Marks, still 20 marks. Or you can just say this time around you want to use 10 marks for that question. Okay, now we have question, what is crop rotation? Then it's saved. Now as the student, let me go to the student portal and check how it will look like. Don't forget we already had instruction to this exam, so we can also edit instruction. Okay, come back to it because this is theory. You can also edit instruction by coming here, edit instruction, answer all questions. Okay, can I say for the theory question, question one is compulsory. Answer any answer any two. I'm just using it as a case study. Okay, instruction already exists, so there's no point to adding instruction. So now let me just go to the student portal and show you now. So let me log out. I think this is not a student. So let me log into the student portal. 30/0001 1 2 3 4. So now let me go to available exams. So now because there is one it's not showing anything here under this exam because the student has already attempted this exam. Okay, so what we're going to do is that as the admin, you come to the admin section. So to reset the attempt, this is where to reset the attempt. So you reset the attempt. So you select the exam is Agricultural Campus 1. So you reset the attempt, you can select the student, or if there are more, select this one, it will select everything. So select the student, then you reset the attempt. So once you reset the attempt, the student will be able to come back here, and when you refresh, as you can see, so student will be able to start the exam. So what we do here basically is that, let me explain what we do here. Now, don't forget, we've already created this exam before, and this exam we use for OBJ. So what we only do is just to add the theory. Okay, because if you recollect, While I was setting the theory questions, I did not create another exam, okay, for theory. Normally, I should create another exam for theory. I should create another exam for OBJ. But I only added theory to this particular same exam. I added theory question to the objective question that was already added to this particular exam. I hope you understand. So then let me now start the exam. So said answer all questions. As you can see, answer all questions. I understand. So now is that so it will add actually add both objective and theory together on this particular exam. So that is what it means. So as you can see, this was the first two objective question that was added. Dash is the out of. So select next. Question 2 says, what is crop rotation? So begin to type the answer. Crop rotations. And there are some schools that give their students for theory questions like they give their student booklets. So they write the questions and the response there rather. So they write the response there. So when they write the response there, so the student can what's it called? Can write their response. So the teachers after at the end of everything, the teachers will mark the question, the script. I mean, they will mark it. So once they mark it, then they will now input. I'll show you where to input it in the admin dashboard. So answer. So the next question says that dash is one of the topics in agric. Let me pick this. The next question says divine agriculture. Agriculture is blah 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 blah. So is tilling of land, of land. Just use that as an example, then submit exam. So once I submit exam, the response is exam submitted successfully and will be what and be reviewed. So now let me go back to the admin dashboard to show you results. View results, sorry, theory, review theory. So look for the class. This is the class. Select the section, select the exam, agricultural exam, apply filter. So as you can see, so this particular student, so this is the we have this response. So this response, the first response says, let me view the first answer that I posted. So the question is divine agriculture, but he posted agricultural is stealing land. So if this admin or the teacher is okay by the response, okay, you got the mark. Let me give you 20. Okay. The question says, um, what is crop rotation? Let me view. Ah, no, you don't get it. Okay, let me give you 2. You tried. So then mark up. So all scores saved and updated, waiting for migration. So now let me now go to view results. View results to check my results, student results, first term section, subject, agricultural science, exam, Peter. As you can see, as you can see, so this particular student now, the exam in OBJ is called what? 4. In theory is called 22. So total is now what? 26, as you can see. So now that is how it's going to record it for all the students. That is how to record it for all the entire students. Okay. So then you can now migrate the results to to the school portal by clicking on the migrate option. So are you sure you want to migrate this result? This action cannot be undone. So once you click on migrate, let me click on migrate and show you what. So one result successfully migrated to school portal. So in the next video, I will show you where you will see the results in the school portal. Thank you.